Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I am going to show you some tips and tricks for using our chrome powder. Let's get into it. Make sure you are wiping with remover, then applying chrome powder straight away. If the chrome powder flakes off when rubbing it in, try curing the previous top coat layer for 30 seconds, then apply chrome and cure for the remaining 30 seconds. Carefully wipe your nail with remover again if you notice the chrome application is patchy, then reapply. If using multiple chrome powders, you can apply with a silicone tool for easy cleaning between each chrome. Rub a clean chrome sponge over your application to make it extra shiny and remove the shimmer. If your chrome powder isn't lasting, try applying clear builder gel over it, then cure. Finish with a top coat to lock in the look. If you need some tips on applying isolated chrome designs, there's a couple of methods you can try. For the first method, paint your design using a thick coat of builder gel. Cure for 60 seconds, then rub chrome powder over your shape. Apply top coat over the chrome powder to seal it in, then cure for another 60 seconds. Wipe away excess chrome powder using a lint-free wipe moistened with nail polish remover. If that method doesn't work for you, rub chrome powder over the part of your nail where you want your design to be. Paint your design using a thick coat of builder gel and cure for 60 seconds. Wipe away excess chrome powder using a lint-free wipe moistened with nail polish remover. Thanks for watching.